Hey everybody, so today I'm going to be sharing my price prediction and technical analysis on a coin called Terra Virtual Collect. Currently ranked 344, price is 61 cents at the recording of this video. It's down 5.55% from yesterday. Market cap being 134 million, fully diluted market cap being 737 million, volume being 19 million, it's up 16% today. 219 million in circulation currently, max supply being 1.2 billion. So what is Terra Virtual Collect? We'll scroll down here. Terra Virtual Collect is a cross-platform non-fungible token NFT ecosystem that offers a curated marketplace for NFT creators and collectors to interact. The Terra Virtual Collect platform spans web, PC, and mobile AR/VR environments. The Terra Virtual Collect project raised 2.6 million in 3 rounds of token sales. Some of Terra Virtual's partners for creating digital collectibles include Legendary Entertainment and Paramount Pictures. Terra Virtual was formed as a project in 2017, but its utility token TVK only launched on December 16, 2021. So as we scroll up here, guys, we'll look at the price chart. We'll see that Wednesday, December 16, it was launched, 2020 was launched for the price of 0.06 cents. Currently just looking at the stats right now, market cap being 134 million. I still personally think it's quite undervalued. Can we get a 5x from this point? If we get a 5x, it'll put it roughly around 600 million with the current circulating supply. So yeah, so the next thing what you guys want to do, guys, after looking at this, you want to go on CoinMarketCal. You want to see if he has any events that are coming up. As we see here, it's packed with events. The closest one being April 20th, 2021, gas fee resolution. April 30th, Terra Virtual Events app. May 31st, a secret project, something not seen before in the NFT space. That sounds interesting, exciting. And the next thing what you guys want to do, you want to go on their website. So we'll go on their website, we'll take a look at their marketplace. We'll see what they have for sale, what kind of art they have for sale. Last sold for 7,000. Voice Note Art Dubai. Joel Blitz sold for 300. I mean, they're pretty active. They have a lot of products here, guys. And just in my opinion, I think this is a fairly, it's a well put website. We'll look at the introduction. Terra Virtual Collect, Experience, and Create. Let's see what I have here. Terra Art Gallery. Become a collector of some of the world's most unique digital artwork for creators across the digital network. Form subtle and minimalistic to all out bizarre. Download the Terra Art Gallery to become a true art connoisseur. Fan Cave and Terra Dome. Use your digital collectibles as real game items. Watch TV, play pinball, and put on some tunes on the record player while customizing your fan cave with collectibles. The Terra Virtual Fan Cave will act as your own digital crib. And for larger assets like giant robots, creatures, and ships, you can utilize Terra Virtual's colossal Terra Dome. That's pretty cool. Cross-platform journey. Take your collectibles wherever you go. Your mobile can display and share your collectibles in augmented reality. VR will bring up the ultimate immersion where you can customize and live stream your own personal space to share and showcase your collections. That is really cool. Industry collaborations, Paramount, Legendary, some big names here, guys, right? And then we'll take a look at collect token. We'll see what we could do with their token. So staking, farming, rewards, and create. What can I do with my collect token? Collect is the fuel of Terra Virtual, opening up a whole world of privileges, experiences, and opportunities. We take the best of what's out there and wrap it into one amazing social fan-centric ecosystem. Over time, we'll be rolling out features including Prestige Club, rewards, create, farm. So we just took a look at their website here, and then we'll go take a look at their Twitter page. They have 42k followers. They're following 1,700. It's been active since 2018 of February. I mean, it looks like they're pretty active here. Last post was 11 hours ago. And so yeah, so next thing what we'll do here, guys, we'll go take a look at their chart. So you can't trade, it's not paired with USDT, it's paired with BUSD on Binance. So yeah, so this is the data that we have for it. It was launched on February 26, 2021 on Binance a few months ago. By just looking at it here, guys, there's not much to go by. So what we'll do here, we'll draw support and resistance areas, and we'll do it on the 4 hour, because in the daily, like I said, there's not too much to go by. So As we see right here, the 42 cents mark acted as support. Also, the 49 right here acted as support on the 4 hour numerous times. It acted as resistance, as we can see right here, guys, numerous times also. So when it's under it, it acts as resistance. When it's over it, it holds as support. And then the next area that we'll look at is the $61 area. Sorry, right here too. We can't. This is just a previous support area right here, being the 56 cents, acted as support on the 4 hour here today, and acted as support. Sorry, it acted as resistance right here, as you guys can see, on the month of March. And also 66 cents mark acted as support. It broke out a little bit, and then 74 cents, 86 cents. Actually, guys, we'll go right around here, 88 cents. As you see, guys, after it did this dump, and then when it came below the 88 cents, it acted as resistance numerous times, was not able to breach it, and then finally gave up and started going down, right? And then we'll take the $1 mark, also the $1.14, the $1.22. So yeah, just looking at this, guys, as we see, the volume has been kind of down. Also on the 4 hour, we can see slight divergence occurring. If you look at the price action on the chart right here, it made a lower low, but on the 4 hours making a higher high. So in my opinion, that we could have a reversal happening here. It doesn't necessarily mean it's going to reverse and go up to all-time highs, right? But as we see right here, guys, it's on a downward channel, acting as support, acting as resistance. Also, another thing that we need to pay attention to is under all the EMAs on the 4 hours. So this is acting as selling pressure. Every time it hits it, it gets rejected. So in my opinion, guys, this is what could happen, right? I'm going to point out a few scenarios. Doesn't necessarily mean the scenarios I'm going to point out is actually going to occur. It's just anything that I say here is just pure speculation. So if you have your own trading strategy, or if you're investing in the coin, by all means, just do your thing. It's not financial advice. I'm just sharing my ideas with you guys, right? So anyways, so what could happen here, guys? We could go up right here. As you see, the 66 cents mark acted as resistance. We could touch it and we could get rejected, and we could go sideways, and the top of the trend line still acting as resistance, and then we could break out of it by just going sideways. That'll be a really good scenario if we just keep going sideways here. That'll be scenario 1. So scenario 2, guys, we could break out of this channel right here, and then also break out of the technical resistance area, the 66 cents mark, and then come back and retest it and go sideways here and break out of the 74 cents and start making higher lows and higher highs, right? That's in the best case scenario. That's what I'll be looking for. So what I'll be doing, I'll be monitoring this price action right around here between the 56 and the 66. Let's see if it hits it. If it gets rejected, comes back and tests this again, and then I'll be considering adding. But if it breaks out and then comes and tests this and holds the 66 area, I'll also consider adding. That is my bullish thesis, right? And then we could get a move up all to the all-time highs, but it'll take some time, guys. It's not gonna happen right away, right? Because you see there's resistance areas. We got to break through this 88 cents mark. This, in my opinion, is a critical area. If we break through this 88 cents mark, I think we'll get a test at all-time highs. And once we break this all-time highs, I think we can get a test at $2, and that's not too far off, I don't think. So as you see, guys, once it hit its all-time high, it came back and did a correction of 56%. That's a fairly big correction in my opinion. If we get a breakout of here, if we could break out of the $1.22 area, I think we could get a move up to the $2 area. From this current place, if you get a move up to the all-time highs, we'll be looking at roughly 100% move. So that is why I'm monitoring this. That is why I'm looking at it. And I don't mind holding this. I would hold this anywhere from mid to long term. I like the project. I like their I like what's going on. I like the sector that they're in, NFTs, and but I don't mind holding this. The accumulation areas for this is the 57 cents mark. If it breaks this area, guys, in my opinion, if it breaks this area, we're coming down right here. We're coming down to the 49 cents, the 50 cents. And in my opinion, the 50 cents mark being a critical support area. As you see how many times it acted as support, how many times it acted as resistance. Not only that, it's just being the $half mark, the 50. Psychologically, also, there'll be a lot of buyers here holding it as support. So that is what I'm looking for, guys. I'm looking for see how it behaves around the 63 cents mark. And the 57, if it holds, I'm considering adding. If it goes sideways, the more it tests this area and the more it holds it, that I see that buyers are coming in, and I would feel comfortable taking a position in this area. Also, if it comes down here, I'll definitely increase my position size right around the 50 cents mark. I would add as it drops. I don't mind holding this for mid to long term. I believe in the project. I like the sector that they're in. Currently, lots of money has been coming out of the NFT sectors. If you look at a lot of the NFT plays, they have been on a downtrend. And also, one thing to take in mind, guys, this is under all the EMAs in the 4 hours, so it's been acting as resistance. So we'll need to break over and hold over the 9 area, and then the 20 will act as resistance. Also, the 50 will act as resistance. So, in my opinion, can we see move up to the all-time highs and break it? I personally think we can. I can't really give you a time frame, but I'm hoping that maybe within the next couple of weeks here, by the end of April, that we could get a move up to the $1.22. As I mentioned before, it's a 100% move, so it is looking really appealing to me. So yeah, that's about it, guys. I mean, if you guys liked the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Other than that, have yourself a wonderful day.